Wired earphones are still a priority for many people. Yes, those which come with a 3.5mm headphone jack are still a priority. Many people do not want to give up on the headphone jack. In this video, I'll be talking about two earphones that are really great under 1000 rupees, and you guys should consider them while buying a new pair of earphones. Guys, my name is Kev, you're watching Noise Tech, and let's get right into it. The first ones being the Mi dual driver in-ear earphones, and the second ones are the Boat Nirvana Uno. Yes, the name's funny, but they are really good. Both earphones are priced between 800 to 1000 rupees, and both are really great. Of course, you cannot buy both, so which ones to buy? Let's start. The first one, let's come to build quality. When you come to the build quality, you will see that both Nirvana are made of plastic. But on the other hand, the Mi earphones, they are not made of plastic. They look really good. Yes, they feel premium when compared to the both Nirvanas. And when you see both of them in person, you will see that yes, that makes a difference. The Mi earphones have a really good build quality, and they do have this magnet too. The Boat Nirvana does not have this. So yes, this is a great additional point to it. Now coming to the cable qualities. The cable qualities on the Mi earphones is fully braided. Yes, this is a braided cable. Whereas on the other hand, on the Boat Nirvanas, you get a fully covered cable too, which is again good. But the Mi earphones are tangle free, whereas the Boat Nirvanas can be tangled, which is again a good point for the Mi earphones. So yeah, in the build quality, I'd say the Mi earphones are slightly better when compared to the Boat Nirvanas. Now coming to the comfort. When you look at them for the very first time, you will see that these two are very different in terms of how you wear them. The Mi earphones have got a 45-degree tip to them, so they directly go inside your ear. But the Boat Nirvanas, they go from over the ear and then inside, which is a good thing. But many people do not like that. For me personally, I feel the Boat Nirvanas are a bit more comfortable compared to the Mi earphones. And especially while you're working out, while you're running, the Boat Nirvanas will be better, they won't fall off. But the Mi earphones, there are chances that they can come out. Of course, you get extra ear tips inside the box, so you have to decide which one you have to choose from. But from my personal experience, I feel that the Boat Nirvanas are slightly comfortable when compared to the Mi earphones. The inline remote is quite different on both of these. On the Mi earphones, you have a 3-button remote, whereas on the Boat Nirvanas, you have a single button remote. A single button remote that does mostly everything except controlling volume, which could be a deal breaker for many. But on the Mi earphones, you can control your volume except calls and everything. Yes, on the Boat Nirvanas, you can do everything except controlling your volume, which is again a bad thing for the Boat Nirvanas. Now coming to the mic quality. After testing the two earphones properly during a call, I noticed that the Boat Nirvanas are slightly better when compared to Mi earphones. Yes, the Mi earphones are great. I mean, during the day-to-day usage, I feel you won't be having any problem. But while comparing the two, I felt that the Boat Nirvanas has slightly better call quality, which could be a deal breaker again for many people. Both of these have a 90-degree gold-plated headphone jack, which is again the same thing. So 90 degrees I feel are better options when compared to the direct 180-degree ones that go in your phone. I will personally pick a 90-degree angled headphone jack compared to another one. And headphone jack these days are a rare species. So I feel that 180 degrees can be a problem for many people. And 90 degrees is great, and both of them have it. When comparing the two of them, I noticed that the Boat Nirvanas are slightly louder, have slightly better bass, and highs and lows are perfectly balanced on the Boat Nirvana. Yes, they are perfectly balanced on the Mi earphones too, but the Boat Nirvanas do slightly a better job. In terms of sound, in terms of quality, I feel that the Boat Nirvanas are slightly better. Not a lot better, but slightly, yes they do. If you're hearing from the Mi earphones only, you won't be having any problem. If you're hearing from the Boat Nirvanas only, you won't be having any problem. But if you compare the two of them and you listen to them at the same time, you will notice that the Boat Nirvanas are slightly bass heavy and slightly better in terms of sound quality when compared to the Mi earphones. So now, conclusion time. If you want build quality or earphones that will last longer, I feel the Boat Nirvana won't be doing a better job than the Mi ones. The Mi ones will surely do a better job. They have a braided cable which when compared to the Boat Nirvana's cable are slightly better. Yes, the Boat Nirvana do not have normal cables. They are properly covered cables. But on the Mi earphones, they are slightly better. Now, comparing the sound quality, I'd say the Boat Nirvanas are better. Better sound, better bass, better highs and lows. Yes, they are overall a better piece of product. Also, the inline remote on the Mi earphones is better because they have 3 buttons. You can also control the volume, but you cannot do that on the Boat Nirvana Uno, which is again a downside for the Boat Nirvanas. The Boat Nirvanas are present on Amazon as well as Flipkart. But on Amazon, you're getting a case with the earphones for 850 rupees, which is a good deal. So if you want to buy them, the link will be there in the description below. Also, the link for the Mi earphones will be there in the description below. So guys, if you end up liking this video, do hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.